Introducing the 2023 Cupra Leon SP SP 1.5 ETSI, the ultimate combination of power and luxury. With a sleek exterior in grey, a 1.5-litre petrol engine, and a smooth automatic transmission, this estate is sure to turn heads. Loaded with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and lane departure warning, you'll feel like you're driving in the future. Plus, with ABS, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't forget about the added bonuses like privacy glass and roof rails for extra style. And with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can drive off the lot worry-free. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie to learn more about this incredible vehicle.